Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Today's vlog is... Oh, it's really dark. God damn it. Today's vlog is brought to you by my mother's car. Oh God, it's really dark. There we go. So, today, I am doing laundry and some groceries. Currently, I'm in Stratford because my mom is doing a haircut. So, update with the house. My furnace is fucked. Sorry about the swearing, but my furnace is broken. So, good thing is, I don't live there yet. Bad thing is, I move in next Saturday. So, we are currently checking out the pros and cons of getting a new furnace or repairing it. Now, the thing is, originally it was just the pressure switch broken. As far as the guy could see, and that's how he diagnosed it, was just the pressure switch, but that's because that's what was happening at the time. Then when the guy came to put in a new pressure switch, we found out that it's the gas valve and the circuit board. Possibly the circuit board, because it's sending off wrong code errors. So, we now either have to choose between $1,500 in repairs, or, what's wonderful, is $3,800 for a new furnace. That's with just one company, so I have to look around, I have to check, see who has possibly a better deal, better warranty, because my warranty the warranty is 10 years, 1 year for labor, so I believe the diagnostic fees would be free for the first year, and if within 2 years that I either don't like the furnace, it's not heating as to my expectations, or it breaks down of normal causes, I can get a new furnace. But the thing is, like, for the $1,500 repairs, I don't have that kind of money. And that's not something I can finance, like getting a new furnace. So, more than likely, we're going to end up getting a new furnace. It's just simpler and it's a better idea. Because I'm not going to be able to not get the repairs. It's going to break again. Like, the gas valve switch, it keeps getting stuck closed. So what happens is it doesn't release the gas. So that's wonderful. That is awesome. Fucking great. So that's what I have to do. That's the new wonders of my freaking life. It sucks. It really, really sucks. I hate every minute of it. I had like a freak out the other day yesterday because I am so stressed out about this now. So, and yes, there's snow on the ground. It's wonderful. Wonderful. So that means I gotta make sure I have a shovel and salt. And pet-friendly salt. Because you don't want to hurt those puppies' paws. Or those kitties' paws. So, yeah, that's my wonderfulness. $1,500 for repair, or $3,800 to get a new furnace. Which, under financing, so it'd only be, I think, 60-something bucks a month. So, for so many years, which I'm happy about, so. But, yeah, so I'll let you guys know how that goes, because I gotta call all the places tomorrow, because every place was closed today. So, yeah, I'll let you guys know how that goes tomorrow. And then, yeah, only a couple more sleeps, let's see. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 6 more sleeps. And I live in my new house, guys. I'm so excited. So, yeah, I shall see you guys. Talk to you guys. You'll see me. I won't see you. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So, have a good day. Bye.